guys, today I'm going to be making slime. And I'm going to be using my slime kit with Elmer's glue. Not crazy, school glue. So, and I got this stuff from Walmart. Except the bowl and the spoon and the glitter. So let's get started. And make sure when you're doing this, you do this with a dot because slime is very messy. So we're going to get started to the slime. Yeah. And my little brother, he's going to be in the YouTube channel today. Say hi, Porter. Porter, say hi. Hi. Alright, guys. So we need 1 bottle of glue and 2 tablespoons of magic liquid and 2 more when we get them mixed. And guys, I'm just adding the glitter for fun. You don't have to add glitter if you don't want to. So I'm just gonna get started. Porter, please give me the mixing thing. But you guys might see Porter in all my videos. I don't know. Alright, so first, Porter, do you want to help Sissy pour this in? No. Yes, you do. You want to help me mix? No. You want to help me pour in the glitter? No. Want to help me pour in this? Yes? Okay. Mom, open this, please. Now we're going to pour in the glue. Here, Porter. Here's the spoon. Here's the glitter. There. So I'm just adding in the glue, and the glue is like just coming out. It's a lot of glue in this jar. So I might use the whole bottle. I'm not really feeling this. I don't like this very much. It's not like it's fine. Not yet, Papa. Not yet. I'm doing why we call him Papa. That's not his real name. That's his nickname. And like, so this is very fun making slime, but hard. Okay, guys? Because you have to get all the glue out and the glue. And it's very powerful. There's a lot of glue in this bottle. And don't bring slime to school. That is bad. You will get in trouble. Oh no. I got it all on me, guys. But that's fine if I get it on myself because I have to clean myself off as I'm done this video anyway. So that's fine. That's fine. If you get it on your hands, that's perfectly fine because it's just hands. But in your mouth, oh. And Porter, you have to back up a little, please, because I don't want to get some glue on your face, and then it will get in your eye, because glue burns. I'm scared. More? More. Alright, Papa. So guys, I think I did too much. I want to mix. Alright, let's mix. I think I did too much, guys. This might be a failure. It might be, okay? Okay, guys. See? Oh, touch it. It's jiggly. It's so jiggly. No, what it, oh. No, you touch it. See, put it. See, it's not sticky or nothing, guys, but just jiggly. Just jiggly. I don't like jiggly slime, but I'm just going to have to stick with it. At least it's not big sister versus little sister, because little sister will win. I mean, little brother. See, brother? Papa, see? No, you can't do it like that. I'm ready to add my hands in, guys, because I'm the oldest now. And Porter, he is too young for slime. But now you can't touch it. Oh! Good job, Porter. Wanna add glitter in? Can put in. Oh! Wanna put in the glitter? There. Porter, here. Wanna add in the glitter? Okay. Wanna add the glitter in? No. Here. No? Okay. I put in glitter, guys. So the glitter's all in. Now we're gonna mix it in so the glitter can stick in with the slime. I really want the glitter to go everywhere, but we didn't do that. We might have to go upstairs and get more glitter. I don't know, but I'm ready to use my hands, guys. That's what I know. No more mixing, using your hands. Alright, now I'm using my hands, using it all over me. May have to add 2 more tablespoons. This is getting really sticky. See me mix it? It's getting all over my hands. See. And if you're watching this video, I need you to please use an adult because I need an adult too. And I'm gonna add 2 more tablespoons, okay? Because I don't like it slimy. And Porter, he's loving this slime right now. He keeps wanting to add it. He added all the bottom in, and I didn't ask him yet. So good job, Porter. I love this one. Yeah. Good job. He thinks he did a bad job, guys, but this is very good. He keeps trying to pour it. Okay, I don't like this either, but good job, Porter. Okay. This is not sticky anymore. I want it more stickier. Stretchy. Because when I try to pull it hard, it's stretchy. This is slime, guys. This is slime. And I'm very proud of my brother for doing this. I have bubbles already. And look. This is how stretchy it is. You pull. Thank you, Porter. He's the best brother ever. If you have a brother like this, ask him to help you make slime. Because this is the best brother ever. I love my brother so much. Thank you, Porter. Love you. I love you so much. You're the best. We're going to play with it here. See? Touch it. He's the best. If you want my little brother to help you make slime, then you can just call him because he'll help you make anything. He loves this. Here. He's playing with it now. But not getting all over his hands. He's like, it's so stretchy. I did a good job. I know you did. You did. So, good job. And he says, hallelujah, hallelujah. Porter says that. See? I told you. A sister knows what a brother says. Give me a slime, please, Papa. Ooh, yay! He's a little bit sick. And I don't want him to get much sick with the slime. So I'm just going to take it from him. Yeah, he did a good job. This is Porter's playroom, if you're wondering what this room is and why does it have toys in it. It is Porter's playroom. And Porter, he loves playing in it. And you see, he loves playing with slime in here. And I'm not letting him play with the slime anymore because I don't want it to stick on his hands like I already did. Look, guys. So his hands are already sticky. I don't want nothing else to stick on his hands. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. And thank you for enjoying my brother helping me make slime. And if I encourage you guys because you're the best guys ever. Please like, subscribe, and share, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Alright, that's Porter's hand. Now that he sees it, he's saying, ew. Alright, ew. And make sure to put it in the container so it won't dry out. Thanks, bye.